Hey, it's Mike with My Rocky Start. Just because I had a rocky start doesn't mean you need to. Just a little quick maintenance tip. This is the Highland Park 10 TSS stainless steel trim saw, and there have been some questions on what to do with the blade. Now, the blade will get a little bit of powdery rust on it. It will go down a little bit into that grain and show up like that. This is the continuous rim blade. Just finished cutting with it. What I like to do is drain my saw. Like to just wipe out any loose water you see in the bottom. I like to wipe off the arbor and then also dry and wipe off the flanges. Basically anything that touches that blade, I just want it dry. So also gives you a chance to make sure that there isn't anything embedded in that, so when you put this back on, everything's going to sit nice and flat. So once I've got things dried off and disassembled that far, I just take a little WD-40, and it doesn't take a whole lot, just maybe a little spritz on the blade. You can see it's not that much. Paper towel, just wipe that around, and you'll see it does take some of that rust off. Just do that with both sides. And what you're doing is you're trying to prevent this rust from happening too much. It's going to happen. It's not that there's anything wrong with the blade, but what can happen is if you leave these rusting or leave them sitting in water, you can actually rust along that center line and actually have it corrode under the center and pop that center off. Or, depending on the blade design, some of these are welded onto a core, so if you have that, you can actually have separation of this center and the core. So definitely something you don't want. So little WD-40, you can see that rust coming off. And these are stainless steel, but still just to clean them up. Just real quick. And then, once I've got things dried, I just put it together for the next time. Now, the minimum you should do, the absolute minimum, is take this and drain the water out, clean it out, and if you don't disassemble the blade and the arbor and the flanges, then what you want to do is at least dry the box out, dry the blade off what you can, and then maybe just start it and run it for a second. But I like doing this because I know it's going to be fine. It's going to be ready to go the next time. Just a little quick tip. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I'll try and do more. If they're helpful, give them a like, and I appreciate your time.